Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just got through saying I was going to stop, and I am, but I thought I'd show how to make these flag poles, because then you could make the flags off these poles. So I've already done them. I'm just going to delete them and start over. This is very easy. This is your 2-point line. Just go from, I've locked my logo so I can't grab it. I'm going to go to about right there. I'm going to increase the size of my line to double clicking on here and make it like a 10. And also when you do that, always, and you can set this as default, I've lost my default one, but because you might make this flagpole a whole different scenario. Then take an ellipse tool, holding down the control button, make an ellipse, fill it in with black. I'm drawing real thick. Normally I don't draw that thick. Fill it in with black. Now take your shape tool and bring your flagpole a little closer to where it is. And this is kind of a weird item, but it doesn't really matter. Take an ellipse tool, round off the corners, and then rotate it, double clicking on it. It might be too much of a rotation, but maybe not. We could actually make it a little bit bigger. Whoop. And the reason I decided to go ahead and play with this video is just to kind of give you an idea. It's a little bit off, not center. And you could do this till the cows come home. Whoop, I didn't want to do that. Take your shape tool and bring your line up to that line. Take this shape and fill it in. Or you could actually leave it, it would look pretty cool. But I'm just left clicking. Now, because I've got my logo locked, I can't grab my logo, so I'm going to grab all this and I'm going to Control D. Well, I'm going to Control G and make a duplicate of it. Or I made a copy of it. I grouped it together. Now I'm going to go Control D. And then you could take this right here and it'll mirror it. Evidently, I didn't make a copy of it. Control D. And then mirror it. And then just take and hold down your control button. And it should be right where that other one should be. So that is part of this. I'm going to change my nudge distance or change it, put it back on 10. And I did not group that together. Control G, Control G. I'm going to grab both these and I'm going to cursor them over. And there's the start of our flagpole. And while you're here, you could actually take your shape tool. Well, you'd have to ungroup it. But you don't really have to ungroup it. We could do this, just select them. Let's zoom in here. And let's change our nudge distance to 0.02. Grab this and just cursor down. And there you have the start of the flagpole. Group this together, Control G, so you won't mess it up. And then next couple of days I'm going to show how to draw this flag. I'm pretty sure that this one with the 3 stars would be relatively easy. This one's going to be a little bit more difficult with the waves, but there is a way around that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.